We are going to discuss one of the major super spreader staff of industry, that is housekeeping service staff. There are few precautionary measures which are to be complied for safe operation and prevention of COVID-19 spread. Contents of this training have been developed for awareness purpose. Safety professional working with industries have put their time and effort for development of the content. Later, contents have been finalized through brainstorming session. These contents are not mandatory for any industry, but you must refer to local authority if it is mandatory. Only appropriate content applicable to your organization may be implemented after discussion within your organization. There are some topic on which team has different opinion, but these information are also shared with you. Hence, you are recommended to discuss internally before final call on implementation. All these information are obtained from websites without validation of correctness. To some extent, we tried to obtain information from official sites of government and WHO. You must provide training to all housekeeping staff on safety precautions during cleaning as well as usage of PPEs and disposal of PPEs. You must cover topics like how to wear PPEs, how to dispose of PPEs, frequency of cleaning and sanitization, usage of cleaning chemicals, and waste disposal management practice. You must clean washrooms after every use, so that cleanliness and hygiene are maintained. It is recommended that you depute a cleaning attendant for each washroom, who cleans and sanitizes washroom on defined frequency, as well as manage waste and used PPEs. You shall maintain the stock of required PPEs and disinfecting gadgets in adequate quantity. Prior to cleaning, you make sure and monitor that the housekeeping staff has wear a suitable mask, safety goggles, safety shoe, apron, and gloves. You must ensure disinfection of all the PPEs and sanitize hands before wearing. It is equally significant to disinfect all cleaning equipment after every use. You must disinfect multi-touch points, like door handle, elevator button, handrail, call button, printer and scanner, etc. You must not use bleach or chlorine-containing chemicals for cleaning of metal surfaces, such as staircase, railing, or door handle. You shall only use alcohol-based cleaning agent. You shall make sure water and soap availability at washing facility or alcohol-based sanitization facility. It is highly recommended to display pictorial message and methods on different sanitization practices, such as hand wash procedure, PPE disposal method, appropriate PPE usage methods. In order to maintain social distance, provision of alternate urinal is to be made available. Chewing gutka and tobacco increases spitting activity, and that will eventually increase the spreading of COVID infection. You must ban chewing of gutka and tobacco in your company premises. You must dispose used mask and gloves, as per biomedical waste requirements. Moreover, you must take a note that you always discard mask by cutting into 2 pieces. That will prevent chance of reuse after disposal. Prior to disposal of used PPEs, you must disinfect used PPEs in order to prevent infection to workers. PPEs which are used after one usage must be disinfected in order to prevent infection to other user. There are different types of masks recommended for use. Homemade mask is reusable mask. A triple layer mask is a disposable mask, which has better protection than homemade mask. N95 mask has high filtration capacity and provides more protection than triple layer and homemade mask. This mask is usually used by medical staff. You must sanitize your hands before wearing any PPE. For mask, first sanitize your hands, and place a mask over your mouth, by touching only strings of mask. For removal of any mask, you must remove it by using strings only, and do not touch on outer surface of the mask, it may having infectious particles. And after removal of mask, you must sanitize your hands. Mask and rubber gloves may contains infectious contaminants that may have chances of spread to hands after removal of PPEs. So that you shall wash hands after removal of all PPEs. You must monitor and record daily health checkup of housekeeping staff. If you find any health issue, you must ask to quarantine the person and seek medical advisory. You may visit our website for information on consultancy and training services. We also conduct online training as well. You may write suggestion or comment to us through email. We are called AKSHAR Management Consultant, based at Baroda.